Fox 40's Josie Hart joining us now live from the Placer County Superior Courthouse with more, Josie, on what happened inside that courtroom earlier today.
Well, Nikki and Eric, today was one of those days where a lot of information came to light, so we did our best to just break down some key points today. Now, granted, there were a lot of new details that came out that weren't initially in the trial, and those are starting to come out today. In court today, a tape recording was played in which Wendy Wood tells a detective she, quote, saw Danny in a hoodie and describes the shooter walking over to shoot Gary Spoor before pointing the gun at her. That phone call was logged on April 1st of 2022. So why was the recording not played in the initial trial? Well, it appears that at least for this motion hearing, the prosecutor waited to have the defense present their evidence and recordings first. Earlier in this hearing on January 26th, Serafini's defense attorney played a voicemail from Wendy Wood to Serafini, recorded before her death, where she said she had a vision that the shooter was not him. The prosecutor also compared surveillance video of the shooter running up to the home the day of the attack to a video of Serafini running on a baseball field. Serafini was also questioned about his past, including an alleged incident where he threatened to cut off someone's finger over a tiny home deal, and he admitted in court that he had committed insurance fraud 3 times. Serafini's defense attorney says his previous attorneys hurt his case by failing to call key alibi witnesses, and Serafini testified that they had warned him friends and family could face the prosecution, quote, bringing up dirt on them if they testified in his defense. And interestingly enough, today we also saw members of the jury who were there for the trial. They were listening in, clearly showing that a lot of people are still very much invested in this case. Now, as for now, David Fisher, who is one of Daniel Serafini's former attorneys, is due back to testify in this courthouse on February 13th at 11 a.m. For now, reporting in Auburn, covering local news that matters, Josie Hart, Fox 40 News.
All right, Josie, thanks so much.